Hello everyone, this video is about the V1 testimonial. It is presented by me Lim Jie-yi. There are a few uniqueness of V1 platform that I can find. The first one is the seamless connectivity. V1 simplifies connecting IoT sensors and actuators. The device manager module streamlines sensor management, ensuring efficient connectivity checks with minimal effort. And the second uniqueness is the monitoring dashboard. V1 empowers users to create engaging dashboards and charts for clear data representation. This enhances understanding by facilitating interpretation of data trends and changes. Next is the data analysis module. V1 eliminates manual data retrieval and computation, automatically storing sensor data in the cloud. The platform's simplicity is evident in quick access to values like the average, minimum, or maximum value of sensor data. The final uniqueness, I think, is the workflow module. The workflow module in V1 allows responsive actions like email alerts for readings surpassing defined values. It seamlessly integrates with machine learning, requiring minimal coding and emphasizing user friendliness. V1 is the first platform I have used, providing a simpler and more effective alternative to my previous use of Google Cloud virtual machines for collecting and displaying sensor data. My favorite module in V1 is the workflow module. This is primarily because it allows for easy responses to the most recent data collected, such as sending email alerts to users. The process is incredibly straightforward, requiring only a small amount of code. Moreover, the module offers seamless integration with machine learning models for data prediction. With just a few clicks, I can select a model, choose the data source for training, deploy it, and integrate it into the IoT application for predictive purposes. I like V1 because of its user-friendly interface, seamless integration with sensors and actuators, and innovative features. I think V1 is very user-friendly and it's very helpful in my projects. It streamlined my projects by providing easy integration with IoT sensors, efficient data interpretation, and a user-friendly workflow module, saving me time and enhancing overall productivity. I find V1 to be the best platform for IoT applications. My only suggestion would be to enhance the platform by allowing control of actuators through the workflow module, which will further improve its functionality. Finally, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Vitrox for providing IoT devices and V1 for free. This opportunity has allowed me to explore the world of IoT without any cost, and I truly appreciate it.